Cajon, the laziest instrument of them all. The Cajon is the intro. It's only 4 beats. It shouldn't be that complicated. I have pet peeves with certain instruments. Cajon is one of those. It just kills me. And people in the Latin world love it. Let's make it work. Now, a cajon is just a cajon. It's a piece of wood, and they push their hand until it sounds something that they think is a drum. So the question is it gonna work towards a drum sound, or is it gonna work towards a conga sound? In this case, I guess they're trying to mimic some sort of like a programming beat. That overtone that's what is not working. So let's do the EQ, find that overtone, kill a little bit. We killed that. We left a little bit of low end. I'm not gonna filter too much. Yes, I know I said filter where you don't hear a filter at the low end. The thing is that nothing's happening here, so headroom is not a concern at this point. Let the cajon rumble, and then the guitars will just fit in. Let's put on the club. How far? Let's try put it super far. Too much. Closer. We're happy. We got the cajon going.